Welcome students, myself Ms. Diksha Naik. I am Assistant Professor in Botany at Sri Mallikarjun and Sri Chetan Manju Desai College, Kankona, Goa. In this module, I will be discussing about economic importance of algae with special reference to biofertilizers and medicine. That is module number 33 from unit 2, algae. This is the outline of my topic, algae as biofertilizers. Next, algae in medicine. Learning outcomes. After completion of this module, students will be able to identify various economic uses of algae. They will describe the economic importance of algae as biofertilizers and medicine. They will also explain the economic importance of algae as biofertilizers and medicine. First, algae as biofertilizers. What are biofertilizers? Biofertilizers are nothing but they are the natural fertilizers which are living microbial inoculants of bacteria, fungi, algae alone or in combination. They helps in nitrogen fixation. They also helps in restoring soil fertility. They improve the soil chemical and biological properties. The most common varieties of algae which are used as biofertilizers are blue-green algae and brown algae, also called as seaweeds. First, blue-green algae. The most dominant nitrogen fixing blue-green algae are Anabaena, Nostoc, Calothrix, Plectonema, Cylindrospermum, etc. They fix the atmospheric nitrogen. For example, algae Anabaena fixes up to 60 kg nitrogen per hectare per season. It also enriches the soil with organic matter. They also help in reclamation of alkaline Usar soils. Seaweeds, also called as brown algae, due to the presence of potassium chloride, seaweeds are used as biofertilizers in many countries like France, Japan, England, South India, etc. They are the storehouse of potash, ionic sulfate, trace elements and growth substances. Seaweeds manure hold water and air at the same time and improves the soil, thus increase the resistance to diseases. Minerals diffuse out from the thallus rapidly and it is quickly absorbed by the crops. Advantages of algal biofertilizers. They are eco-friendly and have been proved to be effective and economical alternate to chemical fertilizers. They are natural, organic, renewable energy source. They repair the nitrogen level in the soil by fixing atmospheric nitrogen. They act as a binding agent and thus help soil to bind together. The phytohormones like auxins, cytokinins, gibberellic acids are known to influence plant growth and development. They also help in retaining essential nutrients and water in the soil and thus increase soil porosity and soil fertility. They decrease the soil salinity and prevents weed growth. They increase the soil phosphate by excretion of organic acids. Algae in medicine. Algae is used in medicines because of the different medicinal properties of algae. First medicinal property is antioxidant property. The water soluble antioxidants found in algae are polyphenols, phycobiliproteins and vitamins. These are the key compounds to fight against diseases like cancer, chronic inflammation, cardiovascular disorders and aging process. Second, anti-cancer property of algae. Aqueous extract of algae shows anti-cancer activities. Example, cyanobacteria, which is a blue-green algae, have highest antioxidants, which leads to anti-cancer efficiency. The antioxidant properties like beta-carotene in algae can be used to treat oral cancers. Third, antiviral property of algae. Algal polysaccharides are used against particular viruses. For example, carrageenan from red algae is used against influenza virus and HIV. Alginate from brown algae is used against HIV, HPV, that is hepatitis B virus, IAV, influenza A virus. Nostaflane from nostoc, that is blue-green algae, is used against HSV1, HSV2, that is herpes simplex virus 1 and 2, influenza A virus. Fucan from brown algae, Ascophyllum and Macrocystis is used against HIV, IAV and HPV. Fourth, antibiotic property of algae. Many marine algae are having antibiotic properties. Antibiotic substances can inhibit bacteria, viruses and fungi. An antibiotic drug, chlorellum, is also obtained from algae. Medicinal uses of algae. It helps to prevent many deficiency diseases like malnutrition, nutritional anemia, which is caused when there is a deficiency of iron and B12, goiter, which is caused when there is a deficiency of iodine, asthma, tooth decay, etc. Algae are rich in vitamin B, C, E, magnesium, potassium and iron. Algal iron is readily absorbed by human body as compared to the higher plants. They are good anti-obese agent because they contain less fat, cholesterol and more soluble fibers. Natural antioxidants in algae, Alaria, Ascophyllum, Palmaria, Alva can inhibit digestive enzymes and thus achieve anti-diabetic effects. Different types of algae have different medicinal properties. Example, Enteromorpha is used to treat hemorrhoids, parasitic disease, goiter, coughing, bronchitis and fever. Algae Acetabularia is used to treat urinary diseases and edema. Algae Laminaria is used to treat thyroid problems and urinary diseases. Sargassum is used to treat edema. It diminishes inflammation, induces urination and contains iodine and potassium. Gelidium can be used to extract agar, which is used as laxative and for stomach disorders. Algae Aphanizomenon is used to control cholesterol. It also helps in stimulation of liver functions and cure many dermatological problems. Algae Gliopeltis is used to treat tonsils and goiter. Chlorella and spirulina have good antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and anti-tumor properties. This is all about economic importance of algae as biofertilizers and medicine. These are the references. Thank you.